We want all the children to understand that reading is power. Knowledge is power. And to get knowledge, you have to read.
Once upon a time, there lived a man called Kweku and Nancy. He lived in a village with his wife and children. In Kweku and Nancy's village, they drew water from wells. For some time, there was no rain, so the wells in Kweku and Nancy's village started to dry up. A tree branch on which he stood with his crooked hands. The wide eastern sky was darkened as a powerful storm was about to be born. Old Vulture stretched his long neck and looked everywhere. Then he spread his great wings to complain to the storm or pray to God. Down in the lower trees, of school. It was 2:15 in the afternoon. School has closed and children walk home happy. Miracle came to the left-hand side of the road. She watched as children of her age giggled and gossiped and hit each other along the road.
The reason for Keta is Billy Christopher, who linked me to Della. And Della has proven to be somebody very, very serious about children reading. So when passion meets, it becomes like fire. And this is why we are so much concerned and concentrating on Keta, because Della will make sure the books are read. And also, he sends statistics, which I show to those who give me the books in America. That makes them know that, hey, these books that we are giving to Francis are really being used. So in other communities that we've sent books to, I'm not so direct with them because we don't even get feedback. Della has given us great feedback on the books, and that's why I'm in Keta today with this passion.
Speechless because
so much joy in my heart that I'll go and show this video and all your beautiful faces to my friends so that we can gather more books, not just for 2022, but 2023, 2024, 2025, all hail to the Lord God and Spirit. If you believe that, clap your hands. So because I'm a fan of the bubble, there's a song.
It's one of the, I wouldn't like to say the nicest, but the greatest programs that should always happen. It was an opportunity to bring the children and the general public together with books, because books, as I've earlier said, are very important. It makes a man. It develops a human being. You understand? If you are able to read, and we encourage informal reading. I mean, that's such as novels. You understand? Unlike reading of textbooks.
That she could not play as well as her classmates and that they would laugh at her. One day, during the school holidays, her mother sent her to the butchery. To buy meat. The butcher wrapped the meat using a piece of newspaper. Just like reading very much. Once she arrived home,
She unwrapped the meat and sat under the tree outside to read a story that was in the newspaper.
Nyatepe egba ochiami abe library fe ngogbedao be miano jimena library Keta Library miakpo efe dedie nonogbo ke mikwe atu blenye executive so alonya committee kpotiowa mikwe atu alebe egba miaha mianyi noge abutame lenu yo miawo Keta Library ameshamena sepenko menye le Keta radio ke bon la munuto me kata ene Ghana kata na sepenko.
My name is Timothy Paul, a representative of Keta Bright Future Basic School. A tale of two boys. Mother, I have been promoted to JHS1, he said proudly. Ajesiwo hurried home from school with a report card in his hand. His schoolmates were busily playing among themselves, but he was not interested. His desire was to reach home early and tell his mother the good news.
Library akwa mi globe growing organism yonye ta keke yikwa elebe wanu keke mreji elebe agbana o ha elebe wanu bava ta agbana ya fe bava jijonya gare onyenami enyenu yike Georgina ola be nde kale Mr. Francis pele o pa agbana unye be agbana o togbe ko mieji ne goma je sukuvio wa hele ika atu o foundation na yewe o kokove ta yenye jijo gare nami